Hey, what up, y'all? So, we're doing Impala stuff today. So, got me a little knock around set of wheels. So, a lot of scratches and dings and all that stuff in here. So, eventually, well, not eventually, but next, getting all of this cleaned up, scuffed up, and everything will be repainted. But since we're here, I'm gonna go ahead and slap them on just to get a test fit. And I know I got another video talking about it, but people on Facebook or wherever still got the question of, do the rims fit? What you gotta do to make them fit? All of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and slap these on, show you that they fit, and you don't have nothing to worry about. These are 245 30 22. So this is what I recommend. Some people do 235s, but the 245 ride a little smoother to me. I had 235s on, I think, the last set of rims I had, but I would go 245. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these wheels off and show you what it's looking like. I got the factory on top of this 22 so you can see the difference. It's a little bit bigger, but not that much bigger. This is actually kind of, all right, so this is about lined up right. So yeah, you just a little bit bigger. So it's not that much of a difference, but when you're putting them on, if you don't know, this is where your problem is. So a lot of people put lifters in the springs, which helps you from clearing this, but doesn't do a thing when it comes to hitting this plate if that's what you're scrubbing on. So what I normally do is get a bottle jack, and you can sit it right on this, press up against this plate, and jack it up. All right, so I'm back. Had to find the jack, but you just sit it on that little part right there. You're not on the brakes, so don't lean it up against this. It's more of a problem on the front because the brakes sit a little closer to the actual strut. So don't lean it on this because you can mess up how all of this is aligned. So you want to sit it on the actual strut piece and you jack up against that piece. So I already did this the last time I had some rims, so I don't need it right now. So they should just fit right on there. All right, so that's one on, and as you can see, plenty space. It won't rub. So that's the back. Same process from the front. I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off and show you what it look like with all of them on. But outside of using that little bottle jack, which you might need, you might not, depending on how your suspension is and if it's wore down or not. But that's all you need. So I'm gonna come right back with the front one on. Back is on. The front is on. Like I said, plenty of space, and this is nothing done. I think the first time I put rims on, I bumped this plate up a little bit, but that's been like probably like 3 years ago since I had rims on here. So, and I think when I first did it, it might have been 4 years ago or something. But not a lot of work necessary to get them to fit. You can turn, no problem. So it's not going. You don't have to trim anything. So if you're thinking about 22s, get them. They fit. Just get you some good tires. Don't get them thick Charger tires and nothing. Get you some small tires. These are 245 30 22. But yep, pretty good for a test fit. And now it's time to take them off. Like I said, I got to clean them up and paint them. So next time y'all see them, they'll be resprayed.